Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can add subtitles in Canva. So first log into your Canva account and go to your dashboard. From here, you would see this top part and just click on videos. Once you click on that, you'll see this different kinds of layouts that you can use for your video. But for now, I would create a blank one. Now here you have to upload the video, so just click uploads and then upload file. Just look for the video that you wanted to put subtitles to. Just give it a few minutes to upload completely. Now once that's done, let's go to import. Now let's go ahead and add some subtitles. To do that, let's click on text and add a heading. Now let's put the first sentence, and then you can change the font, the size, the color, however you want it to look. So that's our first subtitle, and then just hit play. Here are some interesting facts about your feline friend. Even before the next sentence starts, pause and then right-click on this part and click split page. Alright, so we're on the beginning of the second clip. Go ahead and play. Cats walk like camels and giraffes. Alright, and then let's change the subtitles. Okay, so pretty much that's what you're going to do again and again. So let me go ahead and finish up. Alright, now once you're done, all we have to do is export the video. So let's go ahead and click share on your top right corner and then click on download, and then file type is MP4, no need to change that, and then all pages include all the scene clips that we have, and then just click download. Now, the first method was how you manually put subtitles in your Canva design or Canva video, but there's an easier, faster way through Veed. So go to any browser that you have and type in Veed. So in this platform, you can auto-generate the subtitles, make a quick fix if there are any typos, and then you're good to go. So let me show you how to do that. So once you're in the Veed website, go ahead and click create your first video. Let's go ahead and look for the file that we want to put subtitles. Now give a few minutes for it to load completely. And then from here, click on subtitles. And then let's put auto subtitle. Choose the language you want and then just click create subtitles. Now give it a few minutes to generate our subtitles. It might take a little longer for longer videos. Here are our auto-generated subtitles, and as you can see here, this is the placement of the subtitles in the video. As you can see, you can just put your cursor on each line of the subtitle and then change them if there's a typo. And then you also have an option to edit your subtitles, so go ahead and click styles and choose the one that you like. Here are some interesting facts about your feline friend. Once you've checked everything and everything looks good, go ahead and just click done and export the video. Once it's ready for you to download, just click on download button here. Once you click download, it will ask you what kind of format you want it. And then that's it. Method 1 is how you can manually add subtitles in Canva, and method 2 for you if you want auto-generated subtitles through Veed. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.